You need energy, bro. Let's get it. Yo, what is up, YouTube? It is your boy, HummyHitVTEC, and we're back with Project RHD Integra. If you guys watched my last video, you will know that I took the windshield out and the factory left-hand drive dashboard out. Today, what I want to get done is anything that runs alongside the firewall, I want to get it out of there and get it out of my way. So, left-hand drive clutch master cylinder, left-hand drive brake booster and master cylinder, fuel lines, brake lines, engine harness, the battery, anything that runs alongside the firewall has got to go. And then inside the car, I got the brake pedals, the gas pedal, and the clutch pedal, left-hand drive, of course, and a little bit of wiring left over because I didn't have a heater core or a blower motor in there, which is nice. So let's get into it. I'm gonna bring you guys along, show you some up close shots, and let's get this ball rolling. It's super cold, but I think we'll be all right. Let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh, we dripping. All right, guys. I just took off the intake manifold because it allows me to get to the lines and stuff better. I just ran out of kerosene and it's super cold, so I think I'm gonna call it a day for today. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and finish off the rest of this after I get some more kerosene for the heater. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Boop. All right, guys, I'm back. I got some kerosene for the heater. I'm good. Look at all this room. Look at all this stuff. I took the battery out. I took the intake manifold off. What else? The fuel filter, engine harness came out. Looking pretty good. Now we're left with the brake booster and the clutch master cylinder. For me to take this stuff off, I gotta come inside the car and remove the pedal assembly and all the stuff attached to it. But yeah, let's go ahead and hop inside the car and let's get this going. And maybe we can, maybe I could bust out the saw and cut the car. Who knows? Let's go. Alright guys, we got the clutch master cylinder out, we got the brake booster and brake master cylinder out, we got the clutch pedal and the brake and gas pedal assembly out. Now I just gotta gain the courage to cut this firewall out. It's been a while since I've done it Integra, and I feel a little nervous. I don't know, I might have to go and have some breakfast or something and come back to think about it, but it needs to get done. Project Right Hand Drive 2021, let's go. Alright guys, it's time to cut the firewall. I gotta stop being scared and just get in there with the saw and just cut it. Basically what I did was I pulled the carpet back a little bit and I just made some room with the wiring, and it's time. Let's just do it. I'm super nervous, but I'm glad that this time around when I'm doing it Integra, I get to bring you guys with me. So let's do it.